Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. So I know that you guys are here for the full interview of me talking with a Jamaican Forex investor. And this video is here and waiting for you guys. However, please bear with me. The audio isn't 100%. It got corrupted in editing. But however, the knowledge is there. So please watch the video and please like, share, and subscribe, guys. Without further ado, here is the interview. See you next time. Alright, so welcome to my channel, guys. This is Demetress Fairman, and today we're going to talk about Forex. And I know Forex is a very interesting topic, especially because it's in the limelight recently. Everybody's talking about it. It's the new hot way to make money online. And today we have a Forex investor, or you can call him a trader also. And he is Ashane. So I'll hand over to Ashane, let him introduce himself and tell you guys what he actually does.
All right, so hello guys, my name is Ashane. I'm a Forex trader as well as a Forex educator. I operate an educational institution by the name of Secure the Ball Academy, where we teach people how to do Forex trading and trade in the currency market. So far, we have over 800 plus students, a lot of successful students,
Yes.
as well as I myself is a professional trader, as well as investor. So that's just a little bit about myself when it comes down to Forex. I've been trading for around 2 years now. And yeah, I'm a full-time trader. Forex is really the only thing that I do other than my business. Forex is the only thing I do.
I want them to title this video chatting with a Jamaican Forex millionaire.
Yeah.
So I don't know if you're comfortable with that title.
Not really, you know.
You know, really, what make you think say I'm gonna say it like that?
Because like a aim for me is not to be a millionaire in Jamaica. Because making $1 million in Jamaica, like as a Forex trader, when you reach at a certain level, it's just like 7,000 US. So it
it's not much to talk about, right?
Have no meaning. I get what I'm saying. And then because I'm a person who really like invest, like own properties and stuff like that. So like net worth wise, probably way over like 30 million. So because of that, I really use the title there, none at all. You get what I'm saying?
No
because
Jamaican millionaire.
You don't really feel a self of fulfillment to be a millionaire in a Jamaican dollars.
All right, my boss.
A millionaire in a US dollars now, you have an impact. You get what I'm saying? You really do something differently because that time you look on hundreds of millions of Jamaican dollar. So yeah, that's at the real level. The first stepping stone and me really aim for when it comes down to a millionaire category. I have to be a millionaire in a US dollars.
Okay, so how long did it take you for actually like to start be consistent in this whole Forex trading thing?
All right then. I know I got the same question last night with my students. The first thing, to be honest, when I just started Forex, when I just started to make money, I was making money, but I wasn't consistent. But the thing in Forex, you can be not consistent, however, you're profitable.
Okay.
That's the difference with Forex. So you can do 5 trades. So you lose. So you get only one successful trade out of the 5. And the one successful one, you made $500. And the rest of them, you only lose some $20, $30 out of the next 4. You only win one trade. So 1 out of 5, you're not consistent. However, you're yet profitable because of the risk management skills that you probably have. So that is the thing that I did when I just started to make money. And then when I was making money first, I was just putting away money. Like I wasn't like making no money to do anything specifically. I was just making money to like really save up to buy my mother a car. So I was just putting away money. So at no point in time I really know when I started to really get over the gap of like winning more. Right? It just naturally comes over time. And then when it comes down to me, I'm a person who just like work on Minecraft and work on me. So I just work on to get to one level, then get to a next level and get to a
Mm-hmm.
next level. You get what I'm saying? I don't put a time aspect to it or really like sit down and measure it. How long and this and that. Because like even tomorrow is what yesterday that when I was going to my archives, I found out that tomorrow is the day that I started Forex 2 years ago. Like
Yeah.
October 18th. 2 years ago, the first time I started to like watch Forex videos and stuff like that.
I make some trades.
So I don't really look on time. I just get up every day and just put in the work. So I don't know how long it took me or when did I become consistent or I don't know, right? But I know that one point in time, I don't remember the exact date. One point in time that I had a turning point within my trading career when I knew that this was for me. You get what I'm saying? It was really a touching point, a point that got me closer with God and everything that I had. That I know that this point in time was actually like say, Forex is for you. You don't have nothing else. There's nothing else that can really fulfill you and give you the life that you have to live. I'm not talking about the lifestyle. I'm just talking about a current situation that I fall into.
Yeah.
And this situation was when I lost my mother.
Mm-hmm.
Right? I lost my mother, right? My stepfather is elderly, so I can't work outside of home. So guess what? I have to do something from home. And the only thing that I know to do from home was Forex. Everything else that I tried from home, I wasn't making any money from it.
The
The only thing that I could
Forex
do from home,
basically was
the
developed
only,
for you.
yeah. And then it
Yeah.
becomes the only option. You get what I'm saying? It becomes the only option. Is either at work or at work. Was just that's the only option I had. Is either at
Yeah.
work or at work. So I just had to do it.
All right. So the average Jamaican income then wouldn't work for you then.
No, bro, you're mad.
You have to make more than that.
Yeah, because like when it comes down to my life and a lot of people don't understand it. Some people say, yo, like even a group I post that are like I got to the supermarket and spent 100 and something thousand. People are like, yo, me wish I could spend that. How you spend so much of what you eat? So and but it does different because like honestly, me I eat no bag of fancy something when nobody else not eat. Me I eat the same things that everybody else that eat. But however, shopping patterns is different because guess what? Number one, most people work by fast food. I don't buy fast food. Like probably like only sometimes I buy fast food. Every day I cook. You get what I'm saying? Every day I cook. So because of that now, I'm cooking more than the average person because I cook every single day. And I buy in bulk. So when I buy for the month, I don't have to leave my house again. And I don't have to leave my house for 2 months. I can literally stay home for 2 months. Don't have to leave the house. The only thing I probably have to leave to buy is
you just
water.
go in the supermarket and you just say, I feel like buying this today. Now I check the price. No, don't just pull off a shelf and you're good.
So what me do is me I prepare a list. You get what I'm saying? I prepare a list each month on things that I need for the month. So I prepare a list for the month and say, all right then, this is what I need. This is what I need. And see there, I can even show you. See there.
Yeah.
See, I prepare a grocery list every month, right?
Okay.
Every month I prepare a grocery list. And depending on the month, I will know if I need to buy more. All right. So like for example, I know it's coming up to December, right? So I know in December now they buy some different type of stuff. So the months leading down to December I tend to go more conservative. And then December I buy more. You get what I'm saying? So that's the approach that I take, and because I cook every day and stuff like that, it tends to like the normal Jamaican income can't really manage the life.
That's why, man. That's why. Even though you don't like the title, even though you don't like the title of the Jamaican millionaire, and you want to be in the US category, you still have to kind of consider based on the income bracket.
No, man, a millionaire in Jamaica soft.
A millionaire in Jamaica soft.
Yeah, because the lease, all right, you can buy a car for less than $1 million.
No,
if you own a car for less than $1 million. If you own a car in Jamaica over $1 million, you're a millionaire now. People believe says having $1 million liquid make you a millionaire now. As long as your net worth is over $1 million, you're a millionaire. You get what I'm saying?
Well, I just hope that so more people can take into consideration.
Yeah, because a lot of people are millionaires and don't even notice. You get what I'm saying? If you go on Forbes and you see somebody say, "Yo, them network at 2 point this billion and this and that,"
yeah,
It's not that they have in the bank account. They can
No,
have
man.
$100 in their bank account and that is the network. It's
Because
just what you own.
liquid different from assets, you know.
All right.
Mm-hmm.
So that is the thing. People feel say you must have $1 million liquid to be a millionaire.
No,
So a
sir.
lot of
Most of
people
them millionaire they like and billionaire they
every
don't have
car where you
that
see
on it.
somebody drive past on the road, they're a
Yeah.
millionaire. You
Jeff
get what
Bezos
I'm
now have 200 billion put up in
have
a bank
200 billion.
account.
And you not have access to 200 billion either. You
No,
can't just say you want 200 billion and get 200 billion.
you know that
But what
liquid.
he has is valued at that. You get what
Yeah.
I'm saying? The assets him have and him shares in Amazon and stuff like that, and him investments the money make is added up to that. So that's what I'm trying to tell you. So calling yourself a millionaire, you're just regular.
You're just regular.
You're
So
just
you're
regular.
above that then.
When I say I'm above that, man, I'm aiming to go above a
All
certain
right.
level. You get what I'm saying?
So we got a question, and it says like, what is risk management, and what is considered a small leverage?
All right, small leverage. All right,
what is considered a small account based on leverage?
Small account based on leverage.
Mm-hmm.
All right then. So when it comes down to for example, my students and me, my students can't use no big lot size or like one trade they make and boom, that's it if they lose.
So, but wait. It's because not everybody.
Yep, yeah, man. I'm going to get into
Forex
it. Man. I'm going to get into
so we need to know them jargons there, you know?
So when you have a certain account, when you have depends on your account balance, right? And depends on your leverage. So your leverage calculates how much you need to go into a particular trade.
Yeah.
Right. So the higher your leverage, right, the less you need because the leverage take up all of that spot. So the less
leverage
you need
basically is like a loan.
Yeah, the leverage is like a loan.
Oh, okay.
Right. So popular leverage in Forex is like 1 to 500, right? So you only need a small percentage of the trade that you're going to enter.
Yeah.
So when you're going to enter the particular trade, because you need a small percentage, that means you can use a bigger lot size. You can trade with a bigger size. So your lot size is the multiplier of the movement that you're taking, the trade that you're taking.
Okay.
So what people tend to do, they tend to use a high leverage and use a big lot size. However, if you use a high leverage and a big lot size, when the trade go against your account can blow. So I take a different approach with my students. My students use a low leverage, hence that you have to use a low lot size. So that is one risk management parameter that I set into place for my students. My students can use no 1 to 500. Most people use 1 to 500, like 90%. But when you get to a more institutional level and a bigger level of trading, you find out that you can't even go above 1 to 100, 1 to 200 the most. Because say you deposit 100,000 US to your broker. As a matter of fact, you're not gonna get a regular account if you're depositing 100,000 US. You're getting a different type of account, right? And the account type that you get, you because of that account type, they only allow you a certain amount of leverage on that, which is probably a 1 to 200 and 1 to 100. And then because you have so much money, right, you don't need to be using no big leverage.
Yeah.
So people use leverage so that they can use less to make more. However, I teach my students the opposite. I say use a small leverage, so you have to use a small lot size.
You say you have to use a small.
So you have to know what you're doing. Because you can go there and gamble, just because leverage stall and you just use a big lot size and
you just throw money on it.
You just throw money on it. So because of that,
you say it's not really your money, so you don't have any emotion to that money when you're trading.
Yeah. So because of that, now I recommend my students to use a small amount of leverage, right? Yeah. And I recommend them that the first amount that they deposit to their account, come back to the question how much you can start with. The first amount that you start with, a lot of people is not going to tell you this. The first amount where you start with is like a charity donation to the market.
Yeah.
Right? You're just getting in something new. It's not the first time. Say you're a car dealership. And not the first time you're going to buy a car, you're going to get profit off the one car. Right? That car is where you're going to teach you the game and teach you the business of the car industry. Right? Sometimes you have to go buy 1, 2, 3 to learn the industry. What
this is a drop in the offering pan then.
Right? Yeah. So it is marketed as, you can deposit this and do this. But your first deposit is actually like a donation. Your first deposit. And the thing is, my students, they look on it like this because I be transparent. I tell them the facts. You get what I'm saying? So I be transparent and tell them that, you see your first money, That is the money that's going to teach you. That's the money going to tell you how the market feels. That's the money that's going to show you the emotions you feel when you're going to a trade, when you see profits or when you don't see profits. So because of that now, they tend to learn from that money the first money that they put in.
Yeah.
Right? So they don't have to put in 5, 10 times the deposit in before they start learning. They start learning from the first, second deposit because they know, say, yo, Ashane, they tell me, say, this deposit me not supposed to look for make money off it. If I look for learn, if I look for use it for help, for control my feelings and stuff
So,
like that.
but what if me up on the last straw, flat on my face, and me say, oh, me need this for work, and me don't have any time for contribute any money. Me just need for
you should be
profitable in my
invested.
first
You
trade.
should be invested in Forex.
You shouldn't be invested. All right. So that goes to say that even though Forex is one of those income streams that is popular right now, it's not for everybody.
No, nothing is for everybody.
And the same thing with investing.
And being an income stream, you have to have patience, right?
You
have to have patience. You're not gonna just boom make money in like 2-3 months. Don't work like that. A lot of practice and a lot of. I see people that used to make money like overnight in Forex. Trust me, they lose it. They lose it.
They lose it the next day.
But they don't say that. They don't say that. But they lose it the next day.
Me can't talk. When me try it, I'm trade gold. When me try it, I'm trade gold, and we make $200. I put in my account. I make $500. Within the next day, zero.
Yeah. So I tell you, say,
account blow.
Yeah. So I said go within Forex.
Yeah.
So because of that now, I take a different approach. So it take you to lose to learn in Forex. But guess what? You say if you try to learn before you start lose, you start learning at a quicker basis, meaning that you don't have to be in this for 6 months before you start becoming profitable. You don't have to be in this for 1 year before you start becoming profitable. Because like you take people, because like the market really have to beat you up for you just look into yourself and say, all right, let me sit back, let me start learning instead of stop trying to make money. So when you stop trying to make money and start learning, that's when everything does change. The whole game change. That's when you start becoming consistent. That's when you start seeing profits. But if you are gonna use Forex as a life decider, you're just gambling, to be honest.
So basically then, so it's a strategy.
Yeah, it's a strategy. And it's investing.
It's investing. But if I am a person looking to be tutored or not even tutored, I want to start my own Forex journey. And I need information. And I want somebody I can trust. I need that credibility. And everybody is talking about just buy this course, but there's no proof to say the person I buy the course from actually know what them I do. Then I don't see no balance sheet for them. I don't see the profits for them make. I don't see any of their students making any profits like that.
Yeah, that's exactly why you got to setthebag.com. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
That's why you really that's one of the things that I showcase on my platform. If you go on my platform, right? I finished one Instagram highlights and one next one to finish now.
Yeah.
With student reviews and profits. You get what I'm saying? And then like when people ask me that question, say, yo, what proof do I have? I say, all right, then here what you're going to do. You're going to go in the comment section and message any student you see in there and ask them. That's how confident I am within my product. You get what I'm saying? Because I know the time and the effort and what I put into my product. Because when it comes down to Forex, I'm the only educational platform in the whole like Caribbean. There's no educational platform in the Caribbean. You can just hop on the website, buy the course, and do the course. None. Right? None. Done my research, everything. None. Right?
Confident.
So when I done my research, so I know that none is there. So I know the time that I put into my thing, right? I know the students that benefit from my thing. I have students that I have a student that does real estate in the US, right? Multi-millionaire, the real millionaire now.
The real millionaire,
right? But because he does real estate, right? And he's like, they're collecting, like, he's doing a lot of wholesaling. He has a lot of rental properties. So other than that, like, yes, your day start getting boring. So even though you're making the money, your day start getting boring. But you know how people that when you really start making money, right? You're not gonna spend your day playing video games. you're gonna spend, unless you're making money from it, but you're gonna spend a day doing something else that you can make money.
Yeah.
Do you have one income stream? So that's why he turned to Forex, and trust me, he's going on very good, especially because he had that big capital to start with.
Yeah,
and
yeah.
he, and, he,
And that learning money there.
and because he's a business person, he know that
Mm-hmm.
nothing is gonna happen overnight. I just have to put in the time and just learn first before I think about getting a return on my investment. So that is the reason. That is what I provide on my platform:
Mm-hmm.
creditability and transparency. Right? And I tell you that's one of the biggest selling points to what I provide, because I don't provide no lifestyle. I tell you that, oh boom, you need to go to the beach and live this lifestyle
It's a
and
laptop lifestyle.
laptop lifestyle. I don't showcase
Wi-Fi
the
have a
laptop
strong to pick
lifestyle,
up on the
right?
beach.
I showcase at 3 a.m. grinding, waking up every day grinding for your goals type of lifestyle. You get what I'm saying? I showcase real life, not a lifestyle, because lifestyle don't make no sense, right? And lifestyle will make you depressed. Because
Yeah.
lifestyle start get lonely, right? Your friends them start sell you out. A
Yeah.
bag of fake people start come around you just because you start have money, right? The girl where you with, you start feel like you're a PFR, a PFR for be with you. Them type of way there. You get what I mean? So I know them thing and them something that clicking in my head differently. So because I know those stuff, right? I showcase a different thing and a different levels to the thing, right? I showcase transparency and hard work. So you see, because of that, you see, when I get a student and a student is serious, right? And they hop into my group and they say, yo, other group here are going to 3 a.m. everybody I wake up.
Yeah.
They must say, yeah. It start click to them, say, yo, the lifestyle something is a myth.
Because, all right, I signed up for, and you can see which part this went wrong already, because I said I signed up with somebody to do Forex. I went into that seminar knowing basic Forex knowledge of peeps and different chart patterns and, kind of transfer some of the stock information that I had. And when I went there, I went there to learn about Forex. But when I went there, it was mostly about that particular course or academy that they're offering. And they're trying to sell me that platform, but not really sell me the information of Forex. So my question is, why do people sell courses if they trade?
No, because like, to be honest,
Yes.
it's like people are just feeding people's needs. Because everybody that wants to do Forex, they want to make money.
Yeah.
That's the only reason for Forex. Because they're in a situation and they say, all right, then I can do Forex and come out of this situation. I can do Forex and make a lot of money to live this lifestyle and live this. So because of that, now it is easy to sell a person a course based on your lifestyle. Because if they see you living a flashy life and see you doing this and buying cars and all of that stuff, they want to do that. You get what I'm saying? So because of that, now it's easy for them to get them to sign up and to get on board. So that's why when it comes down to like my program, it's kind of a different focus. It's a way different focus. As I said before, I'm an educational platform.
So you feel, honestly though, you think you make more money in courses or trading?
In trading, actually, because like when it comes down to courses, like if you go on my website and if you look at my business model, you can see that it's a very expensive business model that I run.
Yeah.
Right. So when it comes down to courses, I mean, and this is something that is natural in business. If it is natural in business, if you look at business as a growing thing, if you look to grow your business and not just make money from your business. Within my business, say a particular amount, I make $1 million, right? I can tell you, out of that $1 million, right? Some is taking care of expenses and the rest is just pouring back into the business. So that's how I view my business and how I grow my business over time.
So why you do it then? But if you can make more from Forex, why you want to share the knowledge at a price?
Because like I know the stage that I was in when I just started, right?
Yeah.
I had to trade, go through the whole, but it was different with me, as I was saying. As I said, I didn't have any other option. So when you have no other option, it is different. You have to make it work. You get what I'm saying? If it means that you only get 1 hour sleep, you just have to make it work. So when it comes down to me, I know what I went through, and then I say, all right, then I can put my journey into a product and offer this product to help out people, especially people in my generation. And the thing is, say I never started the course the first time. It was actually like my friends coming to me and say, yo, teach me.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? And then we used to do some Zoom sessions.
Yeah.
And then after that, the things start grow where it did have to just go professional. They get what I say?
They had to put a price on it.
I had to put a price on it because
which reason why you put a price on it? Time, being that you exchange
no, it's
so
not
much
time,
of
and
the
it's
time.
really growth.
Mm-hmm.
It's really the growth behind like the business of it can survive for itself. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So I put a price to it because like trust me, let me tell you this. I can give you a book for free and you can buy a book, but we see because you buy the book and you put your money into the book, you're gonna put in more.
You move to put in a okay.
So that is a psychology behind the price. And then the psychology behind such a low price, people might ask, yo, so all right, then you say you have the number one learning platform in Jamaica. Why is your price the cheapest?
Yeah.
Right? When it comes down to courses. My price is the cheapest because guess what? I know that whenever you spend $400, the only thing in a psychology is to make back $400.
You have to make back your money. Try to make back your money.
I know that that's the only psychology in your head when you spend a big amount. So guess what? The psychology now, I know that within the Forex space, as I tell you, the first investment you make, you might not make money off it. That's the learning money.
Yeah.
So you see, because I know that, guess what? You end up over time spending a $200, even though you purchase a $75 course, because you have to go so boom, you have to make your deposits and stuff like that. But guess what? When you go buy a course for $400 as a Jamaican, and you know how Jamaicans make money, you know the Jamaican space make money. $400 US, some people don't make that now 1 month.
Yeah, true.
So right there, saw some save up and some borrow up and some things. You get what I say?
Yeah. So them have to make it work.
So them have to make it work within that case, right? While when you have a $75, right, you get your good material, they can take a little time and you collect this paycheck, you invest, and you learn along the way and you go through your journey, right? While with a $400, the only thing in your head have to make back your money. So that is the psychology behind such a low price, and then I can do it for such a low price just because of my whole business model. My whole business model is just you go on the website, you click and buy the course. That's it.
So you think the average Jamaican should start Forex, or is there a criteria that you would say before you invest, these are the things that you should think about, or before you trade, tick off those boxes to see if you are qualified to trade?
Before you trade as a Jamaican, you should have two things. You should either getting a salary,
yes,
or you're being taken care of at home.
Yeah.
Two things. Because guess what? If you're going to do this as a do or die situation, you're probably more than likely you're going to die. You're going to be in depression because, as I say, if any point in time, looking on your life or analyzing your situation, the only reason why you want to do Forex is to make money.
Yeah.
Make money, I want a better life are two different things. Want a better life, you can work on that for 5 years. But make money, you want to do it tomorrow morning. You want to do it right now.
Yeah.
So if you have the Forex because you want a better life, fine. But if you have the Forex just because you want to make money because of your current situation, not gonna work out for you. So, but you have people who are coming because of that and them learn over time. So
yeah, I guess it'll be almost like the same YouTube thing and investing, because with the YouTube, when we first start YouTube, the only thing in my mind, money.
Yeah.
Tomorrow. But then we realize I say, yo, no man, put that aside. And basically, since I change the whole structure of my channel, I realize that I get more for help and spread knowledge to people. May I figure out that more people I get knowledge and get information and get help, or as you say, may I help people for start an investing journey? Because when I did start, I mean, I have not nobody to go to. I have to read hard. So may I try to put the information and it feel fulfilling to say, all right.
The same thing with me.
I help them people here.
Same thing with me, because I've been like that from I was younger. You get what I say? I've been like that from I was younger. Like a lot of people come to me and talk to me and reason with me and stuff like that. So I've been a helping person. So within my product is just simple to help to help and spread what is Forex and really spread say. Because one thing I always want to like get people about, and even my friends I always tell them there's not no traditional way of doing things. Right? And I see where I open a lot of people that in Jamaica's eyes to some different levels in life. Like I have a friend that used to play games, right?
Yeah.
And he is very good at it. Him love it, right? But everybody bashing about the gaming thing, and him say, "Yo, bro, come here, I'm show you levels to the thing." Because
Yeah, for sure.
I am a person who used to play a game too. So I show him the levels, right? So I show him how much millionaires, how much billionaires from gaming, multi-millionaires from gaming. I say, bro, you know what them people here do? Them sit down in them room, them play a game, them make them YouTube video, them upload them YouTube video, and them a live the normal life like
and them network, yeah.
And them a live. May I show you say, yo, bro, there's a whole section in the world for gaming, but guess what? In Jamaica, if you play a game, you're eyeglass.
But things change. Like Jamaica don't realize that in a digital space, a lot of things changing. If you look at America, most of the millionaires them in America right now are basically millionaire in them room, like digital wise. Is that them become a YouTuber,
and even that's the thing where you see
blogger,
YouTube,
a gamer. Like look at Ninja.
Yeah.
Ninja sponsored by Red Bull. All them tech companies and
Logitech, all of them people.
A game Ninja play.
So when a Ninja was one of the person, I show him.
Yeah.
And then I show him Ninja. I'm show him one next guy when I know him Nickmerks. I'm show him Nickmerks. I'm say, yo, you see the money, you might see him look like he might make a lot of money now. But me remember when me used to watch him when me in a fifth farm, right? That are like 5 years ago. Me used to watch him back then. The man did barely and make money.
Yeah.
You get what I say? Him never did really make any money 5 years ago. So when I show him and say, yo, it just take time and effort in anything you do. And you see if you put your head to the YouTube thing, it really gonna grow for you. And put your head to the streaming thing and him say, yo, you know, say true, and everybody criticize it and say, yo,
more people need to get that knowledge there and a boost there.
Go on a school and do this. Me I say, bro, guess what? You're gonna be happier doing something what you love.
Yeah.
And if your parents can give you a 5-year leverage, can give you a little 5-year leverage, you say, all right then, just do your thing. You're good to go.
I just feel make it work, you know. Just have to make it work
and start make it work now, and it turn into an income for him. You get what I say?
Yeah.
It turn into an income for him, and the more him do it, and the more him learn him, he might get nice sponsors and them something, and he might grow. You get what I say? So at the end of the day, you just have to know what you love, and trust me, anything you love can transform to a whole different level. And that's the real thing I want to spread when it comes down to Forex, because people just feel say, yo, you have to just do a job and go in one office and sit down for really maximize life. You can do Forex, you can do Forex, and over time you can make a big income from Forex, and then you turn that income into a business, meaning that you can, what you did love, you invest. As I tell everybody, Forex is not your goal.
Yeah.
Forex is your way.
As your way.
Your gift. If Forex is not a gift, right? You do Forex because no matter what gift you have, you're going to need finances. You're going to need capital to grow that business that you want, that you really love. So guess what? Forex create that way for you, and Forex teach you the principles that helps you within that same gift. Because for years and years, I love YouTube. One of my dreams was always to become a vlogger. You get what I'm saying? Always. That was one of my dreams from way back when. And then I have videos that I have like 5 years ago where people can watch them, and probably one day I do a reaction to one of them, right? Where I can show you a video from 5 years ago from when I had nothing, $0.
Yeah.
So when I was doing a YouTube video, I say, oh, this is the dream, this is what I really want to do in life. Because I love that flexibility there. Right, I just love like YouTube and
you see the flexibility and the freedom with the digital space can give you. That is the ultimate selling point for why people should be
I'm a love spread like a positive energy, a positive vibe. You get what I say? I'm a love have a community surrounding that. So, and then like regarding my new channel, I have now the Ashane Forex channel. Like when I start that channel there, the first video, like I put in a lot of work in the first video, and then I was surprised the first video become more like trending video in a Forex.
Yeah.
Because the video, like, as I type in Forex Jamaica, the video was at the
I
top.
come up.
And then it become...
By the
and
way,
then it become a trending
repeat the channel name so that I can put it on the description.
Ashane Forex. Ashane number 4X. Yeah, man. Just like my Instagram.
All
so
right.
the video become a trending video, and then after that, I say, yo, I need to start putting content. And then I find that the first video was actually, the content was not that good, to be honest. Right? It was like a planned video. So I said that, all right, then, guess what? If I cook, me a cook, I adapt me a video. Anything me I do, I just have to be real on video. And like, when we do the first video, right? Remember when I sit down and I say, yo, boy, I'm not sure about that video, you know? Because I do sit down and I extra chat. I'm go so see video start going with a lot of things on the comment section full. Right? And then I find out say I get more views and interaction than the amount of subscribers that I have. And then me, from a YouTube perspective, say, yo, anytime that happens to somebody, trust me that somebody have to have something special for that.
And the potential there.
So, and then that does make me grow the consistency, me grow the investment for it. And then like, me just start to take it like very serious because me start to say, yo, people are cost me, or me not put up no video and those stuff. And like people in my DMs that say, yo, so me decide something really I gonna just might take a step back for the last 2 weeks because I really did work on a website. But like more when me like really I do YouTube, I want to step on it every single like me I get my 3-2 videos a week because that's something I actually love.
True, consistency really play a lot of a big part of YouTube.
I not really want to make no money from YouTube. Like YouTube is not a money thing.
It's like a more fun thing.
A fun thing.
I want it as a fun because me like right now I buy a camera, I buy a mic, and I buy one light for the and people say, oh, you have a big investment in that channel now, make your money. I say, I know if you say it now make me no money, but just enjoy, do it right now. When me take my mind off, I say I'm gonna make money from it. I'm just do it for the fun. That's something I look forward to. That's something I try. If I say I come home and I write one video idea, and I say how me go script the idea and I like it. I like the process.
Because remember in Christmas, my Christmas gift to myself was a camera.
Yeah.
So I buy a nice camera, I buy a mic, and then up there. And then when I noticed that my downfall was an editor.
Yeah. So
I invest in an editor and then like, yo, God just work the gift, right? When I'm a friend, my business partner, right? Everybody see me and him Roy, right? Him never like video editing and him something, right? But in the actually good night and then he start love it.
Yeah.
So that's what. Me have somebody will live right that's to my house.
We can edit for you.
Everywhere me and him go together, right? We can edit my video them for me.
You go there, bless the way.
And then we just and then guess what? Him start love off the editing. So guess what? I just start turn on now. Right now him want more video than what me can provide. Well, so he just turn on that thing and God just make the thing flow and make the thing work because may I tell you say the YouTube thing, like I really love it.
It's fun. So all right.
It's fun, man. Very fun.
So if you were to get 3 points you'd give anybody wanting to start Forex. Because we are wrap up now. 3 points to give anybody that want to start Forex. Which 3 points would you give them?
Just the first point I have to give is patience. You just have to be patient. Next thing, social media.
Yeah.
Right? You have to unfollow everybody will affect you negatively. Right? You have to unfollow everybody will affect. Everybody will make your thing say you're gonna get rich tomorrow morning. You have to unfollow them. Right? So you have to unfollow all of those people. Right? And then the next point is find something instead of sit on a yard, I watch 1 million YouTube video, I feel depressed because then I move forward in life. Like it doesn't have to be me. Find somebody where you see credible.
Yeah.
Their students, not them, their students are benefiting from the product like how you want to benefit from it.
Okay.
Invest in that product and that product will help you, right? That product won't make you, but that product will help you. Set a stepping stone in heading in the right direction and what you really need. So you get a little checkbox, you know what you need to work on. You get what I'm saying? Not the person, look on the person's product. And how the person's students, the consistency of their students. And then you will know. You get what I'm saying? You will know from there who you must invest in, why you must invest in that person and stuff like that, and that will help bring a thing to a whole different perspective, a whole different level.
All right.
So that's my 3 points when it comes down to somebody that is starting Forex.
All right. And where can they find your services if they wish to do Forex? Or if they need your services, where can they find you?
So first of all, they can Ashane Forex on all platforms. Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn, every platform. Ashane Forex, right? The name of my company, Secure the Bag Academy. So you can even Google it. You can Google it and Google, or you can type in Set the Bag, that is SECTHEBAG.com on our website. You can see our products there. You can also type search for STB_Academy on Instagram, right? And you'll find all of that stuff. And if you're struggling to find it, just Google Ashane McCarthy. You'll see it come up.
You will find
it. What I'm saying? Just Google Ashane Forex. You'll find it. Just Google it. So
this is Google Ashane, millionaire in the making.
No man. Just Google Ashane. Just Google Ashane Forex, right? If you're struggling to find it, just Google Ashane Forex. And Google will help you. Google will show your Instagram, website, everything.
All
so
right,
you're good to go.
All right. So interview did nice. We have a hope of ups and downs trying to get it to finish, but we finally get it to finish.
Yeah,
and
bro.
We see how we're going in the future. Maybe become one of your students. I want testimonial when we can be out here. I'm interested in the whole trading thing, you know. So I might take up your offer still. Or I might do a video upon you and say, trading and these are my results, you know? But anyways, bless up. Thanks for be the first person.
And thanks for having me as well, you know. Was a good opportunity, you know. Because these are stuff like these are goals, you know, bro. All right then. So respect, bro.
Yeah, boss.
All right.